So let's take a few minutes and talk about these Ethix Velcro straps. So we got a battery strap right here last month in the drone drop box, and I was pretty impressed with the quality of it and all that stuff. Now you see Steel and Canasti talk about these straps, and you know, everybody thinks, it's hype, it's just another Velcro strap, and I've got hundreds of them laying around that come from every manufacturer that you buy, so on and so forth, metal buckles, all this kind of stuff. But these things are nice. They are a great, they're a perfect width as far as like being able to get two of them on a quad, which is pretty nice. They're very long, so you know, you might have to cut them down depending upon what ships that you put them on. So I picked up a couple bags of these, and I picked up a bag of their GoPro strap, which is kind of what Steel said, the closest thing to the galley strap that they were able to make and release. And it's a really nice strap. This stuff that wraps around the GoPro is super sticky, and it's very, very long. It's so sticky you can't even get them out of the bag. So, you know, it's a pretty long strap there. You know, hype product, not really. I like them. It's good that I like having everything the same on my quads these days. And you know, when it comes to little fine things like this and screws and all that kind of stuff, it's nice having the same of everything. But you know, time will tell how well these perform. I'm running a session, most of mine running the Ethix with the captain's chair, so really I don't worry about it being held in place because it kind of sits in there really nice and everything. But you know, the price is fine, and I think these are going to work out really good. I really like that the seam here seems really solid, and it doesn't seem like it's going to start fraying like a lot of your other type of seams do on Velcro straps. And you know, when you compare it to, you know, like say this one here from FPV Underground and some of the other ones, you know, this is just kind of like a, you know, some kind of material, plastic or something like that, and these have like this definite sticky grip rubber going on to them. So if you're looking for you're on the TBS website, can't get them in America yet, but if you're looking on their website, throw a couple in your cart and check them out. I actually really like them, and as you can see, I have outfitted a lot of my quads with them. This is the most recent Epic that I have, the 229 5.5 inch, rocking all these straps, and I'm very happy with them. Also have some of that new TBS grip that's on there, kind of like the Umagod grip. It's a little bit thinner and it's a lot stickier, I think, than the Umagod stuff, and it doesn't have that like weird texture that will kind of pick up dirt and stuff that you can't really dig down in there and clean very well, even if you wipe them off. So we'll see how all this stuff holds up, but I just thought I'd give them a quick shout because I really like them, and I think you might too. So we will talk to you guys later.